Hi friends, it's Tilly, and I make costumes for Halloween, Ren Faire, and Comic-Cons. And one of my major goals for 2025-2026 is to do projects that I already have and use fabric that I already have, because for some reason in the pandemic, started squirreling away fabric like a little dragon hoarder. So in the spirit of actually sewing, making projects, getting things done, I'm going to start with the half-finished project that I left myself, which is a white chemise for the Ren Faire. It's cut out, it's overlocked. I literally just need to stitch it together. So I figured I'm going to do that, and then I can also talk about other goals for 2025 and 2026, as well as where I've been. So thanks for coming along on this journey, and let's get started. This pattern is not my pattern, and the instructions are not the most clear, but we're gonna just see how it goes. I'm going to start by pinning together the sleeves at the seam, and then that's where we'll stitch first. I don't remember where I put my sewing pins. All right, I'll have to find those. This is a good segue to where I have been. One, I bought a house, which is very exciting, but also I haven't organized yet fully, and so I have no idea where things are. Like, for example, why in this table does this drawer have a What was I doing? Squirreling things away for a rainy day, apparently. All right, well, this'll get me started. As I was saying, we can start, I guess. It's a good segue to where I've been. So, got a new job. So I was very absorbed with everything that comes with that. Then from there, I got engaged, which was super exciting and awesome. Now we can stitch this together. And I'll have to show you my other goal of 2025 and 26 is to use the fabric and patterns I already have. So in the pandemic, I started a really bad habit of buying fabric because I liked it rather than having a specific project in mind, and therefore now have accumulated too much fabric. I don't have space to put everything else, and I'm squirreling away things willy-nilly because I've got too much stuff to properly be organized in this room. So with the sleeves, seams ironed, I'm next going to do the hem by using my serged edge as a guide. I'll fold it to the wrong side and iron before folding again, ironing that, and then stitching that in place. Now that the sleeves are complete, I can go ahead and start to put together the main part of the chemise, and I will put my right sides together and then pin and sew the side seams first. Next, I'll iron and stitch the hem. Good morning. It's going to be a fun, easy, hopefully rest of the morning. I'm working on finishing up the chemise by adding the sleeves to the base of the dress, and then from there I can add a casing to the top and put in the elastic for the neckline. To attach the sleeves, they're only stitched on the underside of the arm, so first I will match the side seam to the underarm seam. I'll match the notches before stitching in place. Next, I'll add the casing to the neckline by turning down the neckline a half an inch, ironing, and then stitching that in place. From there, I can leave a gap in that casing to put in the elastic, and finally stitch it closed. And with the elastic channel closed up, this is the chemise. It's great because it's nice and long. It goes all the way to the floor, so I can add skirts or hike it up or change the length, and that will be really versatile. I love the giant sleeves. If you've seen my Evil Queen cosplay, you know I love a giant sleeve, so that's fun. The one thing that I will note is I think I used too thick of an elastic, and so I ended up stitching into the elastic at certain points, and so you can see where it doesn't quite gather the same way because the elastic can't move. So that's not ideal, but overall for a pretty basic kind of chemise, I think it's great. It is built to be worn on the shoulder, which is interesting, but I think if I added like a corset or a vest, you kind of wouldn't see it. The gathering really makes it pretty forgiving, and so I think I can still wear it in different styles and have it look cute, but I'm really excited. With the chemise complete, the next thing I'm going to make is a gambeson style vest that will go over top. So if you want to see that video, don't forget to subscribe to make sure that you're notified when it comes out. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.